Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make outline text effect with Canva. So first, to be able to begin, you need to search for a template first or the size of your design. Then once you're already in, just go ahead and head here onto the left side and click onto text to add in our text. So we're going to choose a text style in here. So we're going to use the heading for this one and let's name this one outline. And we could resize this to make this bigger. And we could also try to change the font for this. For example, this one. And then right after, let's go ahead and try to change the color for this one. So just choose the color you want to use, for example, red. And then we're going to go ahead and save this or download this. And let's add in a transparent background for that one. So let's just download the first page for that. So let's just wait for this one to be downloaded. And once it is already done, let's try to remove already the text in here. And then let's try to add in a background first. So let's choose any background that we want. For example, this one, gray, and then we'll add in the text that we just recently downloaded. So it should look something like this. Since we've removed the background earlier, let's adjust this to make this one bigger. And then we'll try to edit the image in here to add in an outline for this. Now, just head here or scroll down until you find in effects and click onto shadows. And then let's choose outline. So as you can see, it added an outline already. Let's choose other colors in here. So for example, violet, just like that, or blue. So feel free to choose in the different colors that you want to use. And that is just basically it, how you make an outline text effect with Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.